there, welcome to Art from the Cottage. So today I'm going to be talking a little bit about varnishing your paintings. I always think that they look better when they're varnished, and it just seems to bring out a depth of colour in the painting. Sometimes paintings look a bit chalky, if you know what I mean, sort of dry and dull. And it's good on some paintings, but in the main, I think it makes the painting look better in general. So I'm using a UV resistant yacht varnish, and I'm putting it on with just a piece of cardboard. And then I'll just get it nice and covered, and then I'll go over with a brush. That's what I usually do. And I'll be using a very soft brush. So I hope you can see how the varnish has enriched the painting colour-wise. And here's another painting that I'm varnishing. I use the same method. I just do this to get real good, to get it the varnish right into the canvas itself, into the painting. And then I'll just smooth over very, very lightly with a brush. And I find I've tried all different kinds of ways, and this is the method that I've come up with that I like the best. Gives good coverage. And at the end of the varnishing part of this video, I'll show you what the paintings look like. And so I've got the varnish on there with the piece of cardboard, and now I'm just smoothing over all in one direction with the very soft bristle brush. And I think you can see how much better a varnished painting looks as opposed to unvarnished. I usually varnish my paintings, and they look like an oil painting when I finish with them, which is great for me because I don't do oils. I'm allergic to them. They make me break out in sores on my lips, so I can't use them at all. So thank goodness for acrylics. So what I usually do is I wait until I've got a batch of 5 or 6, and then I varnish all together. And this painting is a great example of before and after varnishing, because you see how dry it looks. Well, when the varnish goes on, it just brings that colour right out. And this is another thing I use. It's like a sort of scraper, and I just get the paint on with that. And see the difference there? This is what I'm trying to show you. Look at the difference, world of difference, absolute world. Those beautiful blues, they just pop. So when I finish the varnishing section of this video, I was really pleased that some of my subscribers have written to me and sent me pictures of the artwork that they've been doing. That's they've been inspired by my paintings. So I was absolutely delighted. So when I finish the varnishing section, I'll show you some of their artwork. And here's another good example. As soon as I put on, you see, as soon as I put on the varnish, look at that. It just brings, I'm just doing half just to show you. It brings the colour right out of those clouds. Look at that. Makes such a difference. So here we are with the paintings that have just been varnished. And I hope you can see how the varnish has brought out the lovely, lovely colours. And now we come to the subscribers' paintings. And this absolutely lovely seascape is from Alisa in Tennessee. And I think she's done a beautiful, beautiful job. Very atmospheric and lovely. And this one is from Ruth. I'm not quite sure where Ruth is from. A lovely landscape again from one of my paintings. And here, this is from Ruth again, an absolutely lovely seascape. She's done a wonderful job, absolutely wonderful. And she tells me that she enjoys my paintings. Here is another one from Ruth, another seascape, again, sterling job. Quite proud of these two subscribers because they've done a lovely job. And this is from Ruth again, and it's a castle at St Michael's Mount. And look at that. I mean, what a lovely painting it is. So I hope you've enjoyed the video today. And as I said, I'm very proud of Elisa and Ruth because their paintings are just lovely. And it would be lovely if you would like, share, and subscribe to my channel. My channel can be supported by super thanks. And with that, I'll say bye for now. And as always, love from Cornwall.